Good morning, friends. I am Anand, Assistant Professor, Department of Sociology, SM College for Arts, Science and Commerce, Chandravalli, Chitradurga. Today, I would like to discuss about problems of women. So many problems of women in our society. The women suffered from different problems. Among that, first one, social inequality. Social inequality refers to relational process in society that have the effect of limiting or harming a group's social status, social class, and social circle. Areas of social inequality include access to voting rights, freedom of speech, the extent to property rights, and access to education, health care, quality housing, traveling, transportation, vacationing, and other social goods and services. So this is the image between men and women giving you more information about inequality. Apart from that, it can also be seen in the quality of family and neighborhood life, occupation, job satisfaction, and access to credit. If these economic inequalities harden, they can lead to social inequality. Yes, equality and want to justice for women. The reasons for social inequality can vary, but often broad and far-reaching social inequality can emerge as society's understanding of appropriate gender roles or through discriminatory legislations. Social inequality exists between ethnic or religious groups, classes, countries, making the concept of social inequality a global phenomenon. Social inequality refers to disparities in the distribution of economic assets and income, as well as between the overall quality and luxury of each person's existence within a society. Violence. So inequality against girl child. Girl and baby, girl and boy, this inequality begin from the born stage of kid. The male chauvinistic society some gender inequality. The boy got treatment, more treatment and importance from his parents than girl. This system practiced by all societies. Some important areas of inequality against girl child. In the biological approach, girl and boy are equal, but a sociological approach, the both sex are vary. Because the male dominant society will give different position to both, such as one is superior and another one is lower. Boy and girl. According to Veer Bala Agarwal, in his famous work Status of Women in India, according to him, some areas are more severe discrimination, which means first one feticide and second female infanticide, selling of girl child prostitution, the sexual abuse of girl children. We may be discussing about first one feticide. 274 girls die in Punjab every day before the before they are born. What is a miracle? Live and let live. So feticide, God is the author of life, and nobody should have the rights to take it. Female feticide is the illegal practice of killing a fetus which is determined as a female. Nobody should have the rights to take it. Female feticide is prevalent in our country as a major social evil. Some kind of complications in pregnancy can demand surgical termination of pregnancy after 8 weeks of conception. Save India's baby girl, say no to abortion. This is very this is where the termination or abortion is legal, and doctors may have to suggest to opt for discontinuance of pregnancy for the sake of health of the mother carrying the unborn child. Out of that, that is illegal. I want to live, mom. Don't kill me, mommy. Abortion or female feticide is an act of murder. Some women themselves are in favor of getting their female fetus aborted through surgery, which is a shameful act and must be condemned. Stop female feticide. Family is incomplete without a girl child. The unscrupulous murder of female fetus has no grounds for justification. More and more people in urban as well as rural parts all over the country are getting involved in this practice with PNDT, Prenatal Diagnostics Techniques Act in 1994. Can you imagine a world without girls? Save the girl child. No girl, no world. Being enforcers, government attempts to regulate the use of prenatal diagnostic techniques for legal or medical purpose and also prevent it by setting up a central body with powers and functions to check it. Save the baby girl. We must take it has a social and moral responsibility to stop the practice of female pesticides and also educate and encourage others to stop it completely. A female has a right to take birth as she will be a daughter today and wife and a future mother in the time to come. 1978 to 1982, more than 78,000 incidents was occurred in India. It is one of the reasons for the decline of sex ratio. India kills 10 million girls in 20 years, 50 million girls missing. Female feticide is a matter of shame for the couples who request for it and also for the doctors who request the inhumane and unlawful act of aborting an unborn girl child for the sake of easy money. Love your baby girl. Thank you.